Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today on Mama Bui's menu, we are making tortellini with mild Italian sausage. Guys, this tortellini sausage recipe is a quick, easy, flavorful, and comforting dinner that's made all in one pan. I love the way it's simple. You can dress it up in so many ways. The tortellini is pre-cooked, stuffed with blend of Asiago cheese, ricotta cheese, and mozzarella cheese. So let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. Let's get right into the ingredients. You will need tricolor tortellini, mild ground Italian sausage, heavy cream, and basil. Let's get started. Crumble the sausage meat into a skillet and brown it. Cut it into small chunks to the size of the tortellini, just like so, guys. Remove the sausage from the pan and discard the fat. Now let's move on to cook the tortellini. Bring 4 quarts of water to a boil. Add salt as desired. Add the tortellini. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes until the tortellini flows to the top of water. While the tortellini is cooking, we're gonna go ahead and warm our heavy cream. And to that, we're gonna add the cooked tortellini. We're gonna also add the sausage. Then let it simmer until it reduces to half. Add chopped basil and parsley. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe and to hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. There you have it, guys, tortellini with Italian sausage. Until next time, guys, bye. Honey for my heart.